Okay, Bismillah. Okay, folks, Saad, Faisal, look this way, please. Look, follow us now. Clip 95, product of prime factors. Before we do prime factors, we need to know what a prime number is. So let's write down the first couple of prime numbers. Now, let's have somebody define a prime number to me. Put your hand up if you know what a prime number is. Go on, Abdullah.
A number which can be divided by 1 and 7.
Okay, a prime number is a number that only has two factors. Okay, so for example, the number 3 will divide by 1 and it will divide by 3. Okay, the number 5 will only divide by 1 and by 5. That's your definition is correct. Just making it a bit more kind of mathematically sound. So the first couple of prime numbers. Let's write down the first couple of numbers on the number line, and then we're going to circle or highlight the prime numbers. So let's write down the first couple of numbers on the number line. Okay, now highlight the time. Okay, is 1 a prime number? Put your hand up if you think 1 is a prime number. Good. 1 is not a prime number because it only has one factor. Is 2 a prime number?
Yeah.
Yes, because it divides by 2 and by 1. Is 3 a prime number?
Yes.
Is 4?
No.
No, because it divides by 1, 2 and 4. Yes, 3 factors. What about 5?
Yeah.
Good. 6? No. 7? 8?
No.
And 9? No. No, because 9 divides by 1, 3 and 9 has 3 factors. To qualify to be a prime number, you must only have 2 factors. So what about 11?
Yeah.
Okay, go list the first 7 prime numbers. We've listed 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. What's next?
13, 17.
13 and then?
17.
17. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's done. Question number 1 is done. Okay. 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 Go. No. And close the window, please, as well. Hear me now? Okay. Right. Okay, now, express the following numbers as the product of their prime factors. Let's start with number 12. So this is how we're going to do it today. You can, is everybody familiar with the bus stop method?
Yeah.
This is the upside down bus stop method. So 12 divided by, we divided by the first prime number we know, which is 2. So 12 divided by 2 will give us 6. Now will 6 still divide by 2? Yes. That'll give us 3. Will 3 divide by 2? No. So now we go to the next prime number, which is? So 3 divided by 3 is? So now if I wanted to list the factors, so we can say 12 is equal to 2 times by 2. Okay, I'll show you a shorter version as well. Times by 3. Or we can write it as 12 is like this. 2 times by 2 can be written as 2 squared times by 3. That's the full version. Or the simplified version, sorry. Now we're going to do for 20. Okay. Okay, are you happy to do 20? Okay, I'm going to do 30 now with you first, and then let you do the ones. I need some space. Okay, what's your name? Mr. Hassan, you got that down? Yeah. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
Is it nice and clear?
Yeah.
If it's nice and clear, please tell me. Make it clear for you, inshallah. Woo, control rubber. Now we're going to do the split 30 into product of prime factors. Okay, let's divide it by, first of all, 2. That'll give us 15. Now 15 won't divide by 2 anymore, but it will divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 won't divide by 3, but it will divide by 5. So the factor of 30 is going to be, right over here. Factor of 30 is going to be 2 times by 3 times by 5. And that's the answer for the factors of 30. I'm going to pause that. There you go. Okay, folks, we're looking at question number 5 and number 6 now. Now we're looking at this. This is more like examination style question. These are the kind of style of question where they have powers involved in it. Let's have a look how we deal with this particular question. Okay, here we go. The number 96 can be written as this, where m and n are prime numbers. Find the values of m and n. If I was to say to you, express 96 as a product of its prime numbers, you would know exactly what to do. But this wording is just overcomplicated. This is examination wording. That's what it means. When they give you these words, don't freak out. Most students see this in examination and they freak out. Nothing to freak out about. Let's do it now. So 96, what are we going to divide it by first? Divide it by 2. How many 2 go to 96? 2 goes into 90, 45 times plus another 3, that'll give you 40? 48. Okay. And then we divide it by 2 again, because 2 will go. That'll give us
24.
24. And 24 will divide by 2 again. And that'll give us 12. We just keep on going at the moment. And 12 will divide by 2 again.
6.
That'll give us 6. And 6 will divide by 2 again to give us 3. And then 3 will divide by 3 to give us 1. So now if you look at 96, we write it down. We have, how many 2s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 2, how many times? 5 times. And then we have the 3, how many times? Once. Now let's match that up to what they gave us. So here we go. Highlighter time. So we have 2 to the power of m. And the m is? 5. Here's m. Okay, good. Okay, let's have, and time by n. Time by what's n? 3. Done. So we can now make a statement as the final part of the answer and say, yeah, okay, yeah, we know that m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 3. That's done. And the next question is of a similar format. We'll do that as well together. Okay, the number 75 can be written in the same kind of way. X and y are prime numbers. Find the value of x and y. So let's have a look. 75. 75, what should we divide this one by first? 5. Okay, you can do 3 as well. 75 divided by 5 will give us?
15.
15, good. And then 15 will divide by 5 again? Give us? And then 3 divided by 3 is? 1. So we can rewrite this as 75 is equal to, put the numbers in order. Well, actually they've got it back to front. So let's put ours back to front as well then. Put the 5 first. Let's start with 5. We'll give them 5. How many 5s do we have?
2.
So that's 5 times by 5 is 5. And then we have another time by 3. Now let's use the highlighter again. Okay, green. So the x is equal to, here's x. Okay, what's the x? The x is equal to 2. Nice big x. Okay, what's the y equal to?
3.
Do you see how things match? Here's the y, here's our y. So y is equal to 3. And that's the end of that one.